Assalamu alaikum, hello everybody. In today's video we will talk about how to make hunter game by block-based programming for kids and beginners. Okay, this hunter game will be like this, like what you see right now in the screen. It will be a magician and have something like a gun, and this gun you can click on the space key and it will fire bullets, and after that it will hit the planes. Okay, and the score, you get more score. Before we go to continue to make the game, let's see how to download the IDE that we will make the game inside it. The IDE is mBlock. We will just write in the Google download mBlock, and we will go to the first page, download page, and after that we will go down, choose if you want the web version, but I don't recommend it. PC version, yes, I recommend it, and also another versions as you see. Okay, so I will go to make block PC version, Windows or Mac block. This is the version 5.4.3. I don't recommend this version because it's not good enough. We have some bugs, so just go to previous version and you will find 5.4.0. yes, this one I recommend it so much. Download it for Mac or for Windows. For me it's Windows, so I will click Windows download. After that it will begin downloading. Now it's finished, you will find it like that. Just click and yes, after that it will install. mBlock is running. Click OK to close it because I am running it already in my computer. After that you will click finish and everything is okay. If something like that appears, just click install and click finish. Now you can open it. Let's go. Hello everybody, before we begin or continue the video, let's go to how to contact me and book courses with me or book work like system analysis work, for example. You can contact me in WhatsApp number, or this is my Facebook account, personal account, and this is my Student Guide Academy, my academy account. This is the academy page and this is my Facebook page. This link, WhatsApp number, and you will get directed to the WhatsApp number. I wait you. Let's continue. First we will go to mBlock. As you see, go and make a new project from file, delete the device and go to the sprites and also delete this sprite. Go to background and find appropriate background like this one, and after that go to costumes and make duplicate. This one will be for the end of the game, so we will write in the middle of it, game over. Game over. We will make it as appropriate as possible. You will see, you can see it in the design screen in the left side of the screen. It's okay, you can put outline. Okay, until now it's so good. Let's go back to our game. I want to ask you a question. Do you want or do you like Python game programming or block-based programming? Which one you like more? Tell me in the comments. Now we will go to sprites and we will search about the wizard, the magician, and we will find this. We will like reverse it or reverse this sprite, yeah, to the other side as you see. We can make it smaller or leave it like this as you want, as you see. Yeah, if it's just a little smaller, yeah, it will be better. Okay, good. After that we will get the plan. You can get any other things and make it as a plan or make it as an enemy. It's okay, as you want, but I choose the plan. Okay, you can reduce the size also to make it appropriate. Just try until you see it's good. 70 is good. Now we will make the bullet. Yeah, we will make the bullet by ourselves. We will paint. Okay, we will search first. If we didn't find, we will paint. Yeah, you can go to paint, as you see. And after that, we can make it like just a circle. And we will make it in red screen or a red color. Click shift, and after that make the circle. It will be normal and a balanced circle like that, not oval. Okay, after that you can make outline like black and make the fill color red and put it in the middle. You can reduce or increase the outline size, as you see. Yeah, this is good, but just we want to reduce the size of this circle just a little bit because it's so big, but it's okay. Just make the design that you want, and after that we can change the size here as we want. 30 is good, I think. Yeah, we want to put it here in the beginning of the gun. So every time we take a clone, because we will take clones from it, clones, like a lot of clones. By the way, every time we get a new bullet, it will not be a new sprite. It will be the same sprite, the bullet sprite, but a new clone. Clone is something like copy. So we will make a lot of copies from the same sprite. We will program just one sprite, even if we like fire 1 million bullets. It's okay. It's just one sprite and have a lot of clones. And also the plan. It's just one sprite and we can make a lot of clones of the plan. First we will go to the wizard and we will click when right arrow key pressed. We want it not right arrow. Yeah, we will make when green flag clicked forever. Forever is as long it's loop. Forever make loop as long as the game running, and inside it we will put some if conditions. Every if condition will considered to move the this one wizard to the up or to the down. So the first if condition, we will put inside it a specific condition. This condition is key up arrow pressed. When the up arrow key pressed, what we will do? We will make or we will increase the Y. So we will go to motion because motion category related to moving or any motion in general. And we will choose the Y, change Y by, because Y is the one, the block considered to change in the vertical axis. Okay, if it's in positive, it will be up. If it's negative, it will be down. So when I change Y by positive, it will go up, and when I change Y by negative value, it will go down, as you see right now. Now I click up and down, and you see the wizard go up and go down. This is the first thing that I want to make in our game. Now I want to make sure that every time I click the green flag, I want to be sure that it's the sky backdrop, not the game over. Because in the end of the screen or on the end of the game, it will be it will be changed to the game over, background or backdrop. So when I click the green flag again, this means I begin the game from the beginning. So I want it to be the normal background again from the beginning, not to stay the game over while I'm playing the game. It's so important, by the way. That's why I bought after the green flag clicked, I bought switch backdrop to the normal one. I choose the normal one. Now I will go to program the bullet. When green flag clicked, I want it when green flag clicked to be hidden. After that, when I press the space key, I want it to go to the beginning of the gun, and after that to fire going to the left side of the screen. So it will begin from the position of the gun until the left side of the screen, and also it will make this crunch sound. So I go to sound and I click at sound and I found crunch. After that, I will put here forever. This means anytime the game is running, you can do it. Forever is like forever loop, infinity loop, until the game stops. Now I want to move the bullet from the right side to the left side. It's horizontal. Horizontal mean I will change in X. But first, I want that change happen when I fire. I can fire by clicking the space key. That's why I said F key space pressed. After that, I will make the sound play. After that, I will make this bullet to begin moving from the right side to the left side. But before it move, I don't want it itself to move. So what? I want a clone from it to be created, and after that I will move this clone. But the bullet itself, no. The bullet itself, I will leave it. So every time I will press the space key, another clone will be created and will go and move from the right side or from the position of the gun to the left side, the end of the screen. Okay? Now I make or create a clone. After that, I will wait for a specific amount of time, maybe 0.25, quarter of a second. Why? Because I don't want a lot of bullets to be fired after each other so much like that. No, I want every quarter, at least quarter second between a bullet and the second bullet or the next bullet. Okay? Now from control, we have three things related to clone. When I start as a clone and create a clone of, we use create a clone of already. And the other one is delete this clone. These three last blocks. Now, when I create the clone, I will choose the event when I start as a clone. This will happen directly after I create a clone or a new clone. Okay? So, what should I program inside this event when I start as a clone? What should I program is, of course, the moving. This is the first thing that I want to program here. So let's go and begin programming together. Now I want to go to motion and I will make it go to wizard. So it will begin from the wizard. This bullet will begin from the wizard position. After that it will go to the left side. But also I want to be sure that it's appeared because I have hide it in the beginning. So I want now it to be appeared again. So I will choose show from locks. Locks related to anything related to appearance. So I will choose show. Okay, by the way, the color of the block, you can find the category of it by the color of it. So the lock is purple, show is purple. When I start a clone, as a clone is orange, control is orange. So I will go to control, I can find it, easy peasy. Now I will use repeat until. Repeat until will make looping and repeating until something happen or a condition happen. I want this condition to be touching the edge of the screen. So this bullet or this clone of the bullet will repeat the moving until it touch the edge of the screen. The edge, the other edge of the screen, the left side edge, as you see. So when it touch the left side edge, it will do a lot of things or more than one thing, but one of them and the most important one is to delete itself. It should be delete. Why? Because if I didn't delete every clone, the memory will be full and it will lose the performance of my computer. So I will say inside repeat until touching edge. First, change x by -10. Change x by minus negative. This means go to the left. If I change x by positive, it will go to the right, but I want it to go to the left. That's why I choose minus, negative, okay? Now I have get the forever. This is also a loop and repeat itself or repeat the code inside it, but this is repeating forever as long as the game is running. Okay, this is the difference between repeat until and forever. Inside the forever, I will put a condition. If touching edge of the screen, delete. Yeah, one time. If touching the edge, delete the clone. Okay, and I can make another clone, by the way. Every time I click space key, it will make another clone. Yeah, as you see. But as you see, the clone began not from the beginning of the gun. It's from the beard of the wizard. I don't want it like that. I want it to begin from the beginning of the gun. So I will go to the bullet and I will make the anchor point like just for the left side, or I will go to the wizard and make it like for the right side a little bit to make sure that the bullet begin from the beginning of the gun, not from the beard of the wizard. As you see here, I will get it down. Yeah, you see the anchor point? I will make the anchor point directly in the beginning of the gun. And I can try, yeah, it's working now. But I will put the wizard now in the a little to the left side, yeah, like this. And I can try now again to make sure that everything is okay. Yeah, everything is okay. Everything is great, not just okay. 100%. Now, the last thing that I want to program is the plane, the airplane. You see, if I remove the weight and click the space, you see what happened? The bullets come after each other a lot. It's not what I want. I want them not to be like, I want a difference between each other, the bullet and the next bullet. Even so little difference or so little amount of time, but it will make it like more beautiful. See you in the next video. We will continue our game and we will program the plane and finish the game. Hello everybody, before we begin or continue the video, let's go to how to contact me and book courses with me or book work, like system analysis work, for example. You can contact me in WhatsApp number, or this is my Facebook account, personal account, and this is my Student Guide Academy, my Academy account. This is the Academy page, and this is my Facebook page, this link, WhatsApp number, and you will get directed to the WhatsApp number. I wait you. Let's continue.